ebeya omo timi nkosoro nti nko omo patwe de emra omo pe lada mra nanka omo timi fan fro edan no enko roofing no so nanka omo nkɔhwe no omo nkɔtwa ne cane e wo soro he ne ntoma na wafa no entoma minim ntoma ne din but black and white bisa fro no guso fro ko na chi wo esoro ho saa ne ade a on pese boys no ebe no war boys no so na gina ase o mo aye war pa udube obetna edge ho pe o enti nka boys na anya smarter anko pe ways and means bi na ka wahwire si fom enti konya si fom de a ukaso obefo obetimi no atwe ne den pa da bi ye na nam fom na afrem befo say but esro ne de mami adrio abefo amudie na echecha mu na wa maduma no so edin so maduma so na fom za o occupational hazard bi ni o tu akwa ire kakra ze wakoko obi de pom already we carry fancy ya your fast that can say my proud sponsors on boy e me the videos of our time realm munyai ba yesem na enye why munyai mama amanfo tom kakra e ka say Elia na meka pain Yelson say e bia Jerry dementia bi na ha unza na meka na Elia say ade bi say na basa na ye kanka ona e bia na adwum na yi kakra na e bia na onye baifo na enti ofa he no timi ko si dan ne so because am na tene ho no kra no e person munya access to it but omo pe lada omo patwede na omo timi dia akosoro enti ono no say na adwum na ne ya adi chimshaka eye den no timi ko duru dan na pampamu ho how did she get there eno no yasem no Young way anyway. That easy. Yeah, pass that way. Prosperous, food lovers rice. I am be a there. Or the prepare rice dish. I mean, meal beer. A koye kama pa at the mouth. Very easy to cook, and it tastes great in every grain. Food lovers rice. Or say made for better eating experience. And watch an Aquatab water purification tablet. Pebi fatu nsuonum. Na enkum germs ne bacteria ne in fact microorganisms be a won nsuonum no ebe kom mu nyina. Say the bear obetimi avoid waterborne diseases na bibia ko ye diamo. And also look out for Aquatab food safe. And no ye de wash it, fruit and vegetables. Tu ko krom na okoto fruit and vegetables the befia. Memfa ordinary water and wash keke na sha see ni. But modern say ode Aquatab food safe be wash na ayi neat kama kum germs ne bacteria ho na why ansana wedi. FDI mu hwemu agya atum say available our chemical shops ahodo mu supermarkets na face so pharmacy shops p na mu. One cry now pedro phrase 020-907-7726. Kumasi phone so be phrase 050-169-4275. Na Kofuria for phrase 0244-593-381. Na dodo bia onye bia no. Ye de bema na also wetimi e de abo ne wabusua ehwo ban. Utie 106.3 FM. No one pretty lady, beautiful lady. Ewo menchen wo studio ha. Na muze your new be was lady in red. When so say washing in red for kama pa na looking all good, gorgeous. Just say bibia de ye kama pa. Na the omina say menene ba be din komo. Na ade aya me de ye me nafufu yi me di bi be ni sisia na fi ewia na ye din komo kakra. The omni say ebraso say yetie asemo a ye di tu ye hofo briefly e wodwumedi so nanso enne say the medical kan saa na ya me na eti me ba be jade ama me guest no na under 2 minutes asɛm bi ɛda na koma pono so a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔde ma Ghana fo nyinaa na ɛde tu yɛn ho fo no ɔde saa asɛm ne ma yɛn owie a na afei akɔ ne nkyɛn ama no akɔ aba proper na yɛne no adi nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ dipatwɛ Ghana fo tie o afutuo a bɛtumi de ama yɛn ɛna awie yi
Pacho kakwe bi eni say ye right nipa bia off da because obia wo potential mi kunka asem bi say watch asay po no non swim 2 times in a day no twa correct
wow
because watch na say what 3 o'clock e boy we are 3 o'clock time no we check correct ebo we check correct enti nipa bia wo wiase no bibi say wo feel say bia onye knowledge wo ye knowledge about chain cross still bibi wonimu a etwa de bia wo be check correct enti eni say
we should write people off like that
eni say ye write obia off anasi ye hu say we de emfaso bia ni ne ho because ebia advice ba kwa nipa ne be ma no ebetumi change with destiny but because ebia wo feel say ebia onye obia no untie enti mi hu ni say wiase no wo say wo de obuo ma obia na membo obia bonfia hu say bibi pa bi wo bia mu
wow I love it asam pa na waka no etoda you should be an imke na timi we crowd ni ade na chese ya to nesi bia but anya hwe kra no nipa ne nye ne kra no e bia ade ba ko pe bi e betimi aye e wo sa oni kro no a sa ade ba ko no e betimi aboa nipa bebre ya da se pa ne sa message we ya Odiama, very powerful. We'll come back to you now for officially. I share that more akwa na for ye dinkomo. I was just fast that my prospers are omona sika sema from no boy my tea and send be say then na ye di 2 hofo. Yeah. And no bright garlic plus capsules. If you Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. Papa. There you say a boy improve blood circulation, a boost your appetite multimedia. Immune system na man ho yede na a control cholesterol na fe so blood ne pressure ne sugar levels ni na what I say na bibia to din dia ma omukro ya na akofa bright soja capsules sorry na sa bright soja capsules yi ono so ne de ne se be ma se wa ye mre wa ho keka e won pam no eso atia eboa yi e ma osan ejina bim na make us say ebikura na no ko check ye no yes low sperm count also the pressure go obey so say on na ontimi for your funu so say eye wa bomodin anumbi low sperm count na be clear bibia usisi anemu ye oya ne ade we spin na bright soja capsules e be hwe akle ni nephew na bibia akoye kama e de amount ukọ King's Walk Herbal or Kanshi Draglin bi o Hallows Herbal so Kanshi Draglin ubenya bi o and afi Tinate Herbal shops ni nyina mu across the country Samson akọ Tribe of Judah or Kaswa ubenya bi enye sa akọ Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic dodo bi onye bia no sabeka call you betimi afre 0243 983 906 and afi 026 165 1898 na de ohia bia no onsa etimi aka as they do on the farmer MTN ogusua celebrate ne 25th anniversary ne say no cars ma 25 Sonata 2021 the sleek ones pa car na fe ye de ma e MTN at 25 mega promo no emu it because I use MTN number no fa kasa fa test fa browse use MTN app no plus app no mombo no use na again more points na wetimi anya kai baako patro chassis here na dial star 156 hash na che say wa kontu na wanamo awutu na wetimi dia kwa konya kai no wa chassis dey free wa everywhere you go terms and conditions apply dia na wa share no sonso ne krakra mu no ye fast dey di o ma door master and Pubman paint depot dey mu nyina na say hey ye mo akonya na wetimi enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German and Italian technology. Abusuya doors on the one sort to be external steel security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, flash doors, glass doors, and so bathroom doors. Nina a bonus da from Kamapa. Uber paint from your partner with news paint. Yeah, yeah, more Euro standard news paint TB. Now, what him paint you down, churches, schools, hospitals, government institutions, offices, private, if we near friends say, individuals in real estate developers. Mumrano magic paint, you do be a munyabia. Mofanko paint madano. And only a friend of paint now, pay later. Actually, near spread this caramam. Number 3 and kakranka krawa bra, yam for interest bia, and to so, Emma Moon. Ubemi at Shaquine, Ewa crack Kumasi Highway, so put man a one year. If I say, Ujina put man to booth wa, when you try and shop num. Phrase 0542 745 222 and now 050 021 2447. Na ya din komo kama pa. Waya na ya wie ni say no ya behwe na ya din komo e ofia se dem di kan e de eto wo animu no e ya dom 106.3 FM Ghana's #1 radio station. Na me guest wa ha no. In fact, me pese o man na bakwasem kakra na yehu ni nipa suo ko a woye na fe ye bowra ne nwumnum na fe utiti bia because so pel ne nwum ni bia okay enti de di kan wabakwasam kakra betimi di amaye anything
pacho mi din ankasa ye Irene Banson ebi so ni mi as Irene Anyomi
okay
but enyumu de mi Irene Pearl
enti me ba enti Irene no efi Irene no mo
if Irene
okay
if Irene na like I maybe enyum no I wanted to stand out as I'm Irene. People call me Rini. Oboha ebi opese ono wo fi oni media of Rini. Enti I used Rini and Pearl because we share Bible you see pearl a lot. Say precious precious. So do not give your pearl. You can't cast pearls before the dogs. So it means a pearl is something precious before God. Into me pese nyame djuma ya me ya na nyum tu ya me ye no esum bo manyame enti na me de ka reading no to remind me de bia say ejuma me ye no esese esum bo manyame.
Okay. So for how long have you been doing this?
Pacho professionally then last year October na me the first single bar out.
And I just say first anniversary check on a year October
wow. We be some a little history about me. The maminka bibi say near maybe a sisi ma brabo mu na de mebe pie nyum too.
Wow. I would love to hear that for your room kakra.
Okay. Inti mekani say be 10 years ago me worry we nya me blessing me faithful me bibia was normal me wo bibia normal but afi akola me wo no na edru be 10-11 months no akola bia say nka wo friend e bia wo boni din a obehwe bibia de no
obe look into that direction
but no na oye just I say on the year no concentrate. I said the koso we are
until be a case.
It was a bit odd, didn't he? Only further then we realized that there be any normal and be na so now we all the investigations the hospitals near there and we were told say condition or suffer a friend autism. Now autism no so affect brain no and any bibi one and we drew enti no autism no affected brain is sad that akola no to mean communicate
na okay cancer the obi aye no dance room
be brain na ebi mu ye non verbal so to mean ota word bia kwada ena kakra bi so ye verbal until na ono ne de na kwai say on ota word da and aside that no say who say omuntu to mean communicating ti ema eya omutro bibi e friend tantrum say bia or feel so na ukasa won ti
ase na why bas
say bobo to me the bobo ade like just into a come with a lot of different challenges. A bit with feeding problems near day. In fact, being a first time mother, like me who dear may wrong pregnancy, me who say me born pie na nyame eche me ba. Like I asked a lot of questions.
Question, God, why me?
Why me? Me esu die mi subia my brother. Me kase mi suya ma me kwe ye kwa na mi nye subia ko subium. Cause na me feel say ma hu odi mu die. Say me to me ye bibi bo akola no, but e draw ni ho. And na surgery bi ni ho. Inti na I was helpless. Inti mi su bebre, but e do point me na me hu say esu mi su no. Sashay, so me the empire bo. Into me yes, akolano senko nim kasa so nim kasa nintino senko onim kasa ka mechre so one pie. So I decided to do a prayer for him. Say nko okasa nko no na bebo sampae no enti insama na meka wo mu bi se rade sana adwen yare de atoche ma no onma ne kasa ne mbra onma onye intelligent onye the best ni adnyama bebre enti eya enwumre bia mebo menene bo anopana menena bo ba change bia eden emba inti me bo sampae ya for be me fan say odi two no na me jai so na me decide say no me the be empire bo because we share bible mu esu ensesa she empire in prayer changes things. So I decided to pray enti me kakwe ni ma odi 3.5 one anaju bi me ne bo empire nana like me re hoye because me share akola we did 3.5 on kama mada na me share onkwala of ni age niema utumi yena niema enye kekanimpo kekiniema bebre a untumi nye by himself like feeding himself enti me boa na me start say me su na me jaye enti be 10 minutes later me share say me ba on kasada no watu empire na me ja wo middle no watu asoko end.
What?
No, on Casada, that was the first time.
One thing, posa wa
mama, no.
But that constant prayer now.
Why are you used to it? Why are you used to it?
Until when you left it now uncompleted,
yes, no completed.
Goodness.
So it was a shock. Yes, it was a shock. But at that time, no, I knew that God was up to something.
Wow.
Now, interestingly, Obon Pai no we no one san Kasabio or san call back to say they are not here now. But a shaming crime, me who say. Because Akolombo mama so to meet Otiam Paye Swa where say one Paye moon that means say Obekasa. To the BA na ya babomu it looks like what but the same Paye sa it looks like who show be an yankopon cry say wait but who yen doesn't mean God is not at work.
I don't know why you know nyame wo kwan of us we ni bibia and every point in time biano nyame was special messenger or pese na man 40 because I could have just said let's just move straight na yen kan nyom ho ase but minim de ba mi mu for me and it's not as if say minim sa ade na me pese worker but I just wanted you to tell us more about you Keke but I believe said this message this testimony that you are sharing with us now it will go a long way being impact to a lot of people are brabos because and go through a lot and sometimes they think say baby I do know SC but we dead the prefer my who and near man pie bit me aye say yen bebre na yen kasa bebre na ye de yesu ya titini na ye be ma yen paibo na a bit me asesa niama. I love this.
The testimony gets better. Intino as yes, I know. Me catch na me who or tiam pie no one kasa biom no. Me gidi ACP. And me catch na me say osa me bane yare. Na nyema untumi ye na otumi eya. Me di ne ho dance be bia we are said me bekobia. And I make say me ye enyoma shenidin. Before that I know I love to sing. Me say me what talent ne die. But na me enjoy who say me ye ebia professional me bisa ebia meto ntutu njom kakanka ebia wa sorry but me catch nya me so yema me a I will do a song for him. I will dedicate a song to him and then I will also share the testimony. To God be the glory. Say odi 4.5 no started so kasa Na nyame ye me ye fe. Chese Brother, you said you nyame ye no. Chese wanye ne kom wanye ne bia wanye shoddy work. Nyame onye shoddy work. Intina sometimes it looks like ache.
Yeah.
Because I started so kasano, not only making kind of that
perfect end.
Yes.
Yeah.
When he started talking, he knew how to read already. Intinka kolanka or no, which end they cry or like responded the same way.
Yeah.
But I started so kasano, no ni making kind. He had taught himself to read.
Yeah.
And it just say the words that he could spell, the things that afina ojeno na more than ni age
for no, yeah.
And Yakupon or Yadia or yen exceedingly abundantly over and above what you imagine.
Wow.
It's like after all this, I mean, I told God that, but immediately in Jumamba, it took me some years. But na yese na mi refi na yadia my yese me into COVID ni I'm saying no. This is the time. It was say I mean God has been too good to me. I have to let the whole world know. No. And that is how I came into the music scene.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. Charlie. Ya kan bibia kra nkomo we pen kekran we ani nkomo bia kan bi nkra me okay. Wow. Enti ne nyom ba ko anyway friend Mempaibo. Wow. And you wrote this one yourself?
Yes, please. By the grace of God. Say, I did be as well. When take a step, potential one kasa.
Sure.
Because me take a step. Na me name say I could be a good songwriter. But Nyakupo was surprising me. Maybe I say me be one time one song.
Say I just say promise no. I just say no.
I am surprised and I made the more. It's an album actually.
Yentie baku so apem better.
Apem better me benkum, abedu better me nifa. Menu akwa, me de be hu agensia. Apem better me benkum, abedu better me nifa. Hey, and I go be for Satan. Me o tell so ne hinta piano. to me, when I'm a soon, can be proud of so. Woman, Kai, and the money, incredible. So, Mama would do me say, take down food in a pond. Couldn't be a year, there is
Araba Fosia in Trisian. Also, I'm a living witness to this amazing testimony. To God be all the glory. Now, in fact, messages about Facebook, no, enya sem ketwa. But Brinty intimi and Ronina. Right, enti one no. It's a complete album. And you what's doing now?
Let's say I wrote 5 of the songs.
Oh, okay.
And some are hymns, but ma changing the face.
Wow,
of
what's some there?
Yes.
Wow, rendition.
Me rendition. Let me put it that way because I believe it's a hymn, so spirit womb, and we have to bring it back.
Sure.
So 5 of the songs are originally written by me, and then hymns near this. So
okay.
A complete album.
Okay, we will listen to another one, but my main business is a question. Ever since I was shy saying any idea, no, so far no send now who know music industry no nankasa no send now who know near my fa because I'm out for bar on here and say, hey, it's an idea na where from baby at go better. Now so far, how do you see it?
Oh, Brother Jerry Mpacho, and easy said they are working on. In fact, Ebia Obi coaching me. Yes, Ebia say Ebia mama. But I also know say I mean Yankupon your mama no for a reason.
Sure.
No sure. I just can't keep it to myself. And what's me 4G ahead like meaning say didn't it because some we a new artist are before Nkofu Bejiwa tune no financially now because it takes time for people to grow to love you. At times bembuo kakra. But me share Nyankopon dia botaye me de si me ni so na. Eno na hye me den say me nkoso a menye. And I know say God no uye na ejuma faithfully a ono so reward you.
Definitely. All right, yenhwe Jiwaye. we GYA nya ke be anwum ni na tie ni na but wo de yenim komo kakra na fe yemfa mrawie na yemfa de aka ento aso. So now that you are into this nyame ya dem October ina chese of first anniversary na ujiremu you know one kasa ka earlier say it's not easy that way. Say utimi nya manfo no mo. So do you have a team bia on your money na say onko be say 1,000 one na you be there?
Currently, you know, me producer ne ebua me kaka me that under any
record label.
And you know, like me pushing kaka and me manager so supporting me. Me producer supporting me. Producer Bishop Mante of Throne Room Studios. And you know, in fact, akwenya ya many akwenya let me use it. I mean we support ministry na say is nyame ejuma na share about their course. And he say like if any record label is
interested
like,
now, personal ejuma.
Yeah.
Okay, so in that case, now how do they contact you? Like, yeah, can say be obi or I cannot come and say unya yakra on your bay ejuma.
Pacho, like social media handles, you know, like I'm on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, I use Winnie Pearl.
Okay.
So the Winnie is REENE. Also, my telephone number is 0244 534957. 0244 534957. And you know, I mean, when you contact
you are ready for a business to be on one person who you may be.
Yes.
All right.
Just that as Mutias say a ministry.
Yes.
Then too much of marketing.
All right. We'll do one more song there, yes, but before we do that, album is it available amount for PB? Do you have music videos to them maybe on YouTube now? Bit me direct you to go and stream them near there.
Pacho, all my songs videos there. I have only 3 of like the entire album on YouTube videos. But in Yumnina were all digital stores. And you can Apple Store, Boomplay, Spotify, Baby. You just type Winnie Pearl, REENE. My Testimony. That's the album's name. All the songs.
So album title name, My Testimony. Okay, and then there will be access to the Akanina.
Right.
All right. That's nice. Winnie Pearl, you better was a pass. And with your testimony, no, Charlie. Yamisha, and it's our prayer. Say, Yamebe Kahuna. De aka so de domu bia na de wo mu bia si yipi bia no nina so etimi epieba na I know say will go a long way to impact so many lives pa Yamisha say wa ma waso anye din wa ka say o chale de ma kwa so de wa koda na say iti ofensi wa so all right so ya fa Christo nyom let's just finish now and wrap up. Yeah, more person show appreciation to them now, and I am in friendly agro that opportunity.
That's it.
So just go on.
Pacho, first of all, first thanks goes to God Almighty. Say. Second thanks goes to my husband, Mr. John Anyomi. Yamisha will be brave. Then my producer. Bishop Mante of Throne Room Studios. Baby, I'll bet me I recording Juma like a good engineer and be in the when they call Throne Room Studios. And then Madame Mebusia Fwa say Bansen Fonina, I love you all. Your door soon to me Bobobi me the staff of Kaswa Methodist Basic School. Me head Madam Rejoice and Mr. Texan. Yamisha. Me da DJ say what Ghana. Na mami dikanda was for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah,
And
fast
then
them,
baby
yeah, fast them,
and DJ say what I mean, promoting you mean na omo yet they are yet to promote the song.
Yeah.
Madam was say me Young Mickey, madam was DJ Fox, King David, DJ Tozik, you can say DJ Lomo, DJ Dandy. Me pacho mambo dia. I say
they will understand. They will
I
understand.
love you all. Thank you so much for the love you are showing me.
Okay.
I appreciate it, pa.
All
Me that friends, family, which I say obi bia oni me, but I show me love bia Nyamisha be brave.
All right, Nyamisha also yeda wase pa na ekoso ana ekoso. Nti abusia yemfa eye Kristo nyom en sorry so. Abusia afa ba bia yadu no by kan kersi Genie Foods. Yeah, they around the world in 5 minutes, bro. Say Scott Atnase. Say wawa, you go the weekend. Say wawa. Say. Say wawa. Say wawa. Say wawa. Say wawa. Scott Brajery. Scott Brajery. Akwaba.
You know about me. Na umpo mtu say
alumni we
ba na visa na Friday mu be bie o na nkeja
oh na ya yi ni ade na pressure wo fia na enya sam ke another squad so train ade
na Friday nkan
so ya o so bo wura mu na je say kwa ni ade
ba yan fast dan fama Genie food
good
o ma ya de wo mo no mo so ya se ya de around the world.
Sure.
Ede eba besum. Omo Genie sunflower cooking oil, Genie rice, Genie mayonnaise, Genie milk, Genie sardine. Food product I would do bia. wɔn say for money ɛkyerɛ wɔn aso yɛ me pa kyɛw sɛ wotie ofie kwan so wotie mi a Gini Food ɛna me sɛ Scott me kanfo ɛde ama wo enti no frɛ mo ɛwɔ ahomatrofo yi so
okay
0540 108 531 Mame nsa so bie 0540 108 531 Gini Food ɔse ɛma efie ɛyɛ de ankasa Wamandaroma Woman de esi apakem yɛde around the world ɛba abɛsom brother we ɛsɛ yɛ ma amanfo akwaba as usual abi you know that
yeah
welcome to Africa whereby your slave queens go to pastors to sow seed just to get sugar daddies. You are welcome.
Hey.
You are welcome. This is Africa for you. It is a brand new day to tell you that ladies only set rules for poor men. Yes. Ladies, they only set rules for poor men. One sign of a stingy man, or the next any bubuni more.
Oh,
yes. One sign of a stingy man. Yes, one sign of a stingy man. Yes. Brother, if you know, say, I did you a barber tour and carbe born home buying. And until I did be a me too, emba and embe mafono. Say, do not marry a girl who puts on eyelashes. Oh, Bob Brana, Nyanto Boissy. Eyelashes, dear. I be quite you. I said, when coming yanka make chim, nice mean to me. Most women don't marry who they love. They marry who is ready. That is the beginning of unhappy marriage. Yes. That is the beginning of unhappy marriage. The idea. Me too.
Okay.
Yanko kakra.
Yanko eri.
Yaminko menim.
Yeah.
My yanko Nigeria. On say baby me beka say kidnappers bi. Ekwache nkwala bi ewo Christian school bi a ewo eye northwest Nigeria. And the ababe told you say wo machi emu miensa.
Sir?
Yes, a police for body achi emu miensa. Ukro mu ofo no Kenya fo. Sisi ano mo kire say oma bande eye movie bia. Kire say as a concept ni nyina is about gay. Oma bande sa movie no. Wo mo kire ense emfata.
Okay.
Nti oma bande no. Malifo
omo ende.
Omo de tabo atoso. Oma
Pepe bro for no.
Oh, band no, oma band no.
Band. Ah, omo bo high life wana.
Hip life.
Omo high life. Yes, God.
Brother. We say me count.
December bi. We December bi. This omo ende.
Me say mo bi.
And so be correct no ndi na me.
Me dey be no dey maka no.
Band na.
Manka band.
Okay.
Manka band na dey ya support band.
Do you guys
ban on my ban
says God.
Oh, Roger. Oh, you can't do this to me.
I love you, man.
I love you too.
Young great.
Mali for everybody say about one more say. Since your mobile be create a war college. War college.
I bet you for how to go to war and answer them.
On say security. How much for how one basi are protected. Yes.
Okay.
It's no omatisa we na wo enche bia wo ba be shase. Me pa che obusuani wo Israel ka che nse sisi and teachers sa wo mu zo mu ni green pass. Wo 3rd October yo mo pam wo mu nyina.
F Israel.
Me na me ka che wo. Ai omo pam wo mu nyina. Omo pam wo mu. Bradery.
Yeah.
Ma me fancy ha.
Okay.
But before I make on day weekends, let me tell you something.
Tell me something.
Ghana ni bia entie me. Ghana ni bia entie me. Asama mi beken mi nchirem. Sani America na media me kasa mi nchirem inti mi nchirem. Say wodwonso wo ba no odwonso na eba zia
na dwonso eba zi
you experience asema make woman eba zia or your virgin
ish says Scott
say eba ta forget it, that's another boho. That's another boho. Yes.
Jesus.
Do you get it?
Oh,
maybe we research, not an argument. So
okay, please. I'm not arguing.
As someone me became Bradley, me can hear me crack on my point. As I hear me. And yet, relationship be and a lead to marriage.
Yeah.
Some relationship, ebema when you experience on sex positions.
Ose.
Ming boss be ming ke bio. Ming
African DJ who
what about African DJ who dem me fa we into no mo fa e futu o mo fa ni free.
All right.
After the sexual intercourse. So bano amfanity anto be man wakoko so my brother, you did not perform well. Midi at the Scott who catch more than if you could be KJB, just say, you go, who can't?
No way, JB.
No way, JB. French never catch us as Javel
Capel.
Let us a brother. Metetessa then Crana, and then Macragana Funa.
I just will be TV, but Zinaviti, but that's a very great. From Kofi Asai Brakwa Bate to Kweku Krantin Sesu or Tantra Hills. Yes, the funeral of your father, Mr. Alexander Kweku Sesu, Basso Nyamea Duma China, and a resident behind Champion Divine Clinic, or Tantra Hills Accra. What's the condolences and call him out? I was just a minute, not fair, Babaka. You be come on. I said, see you.
Minimum Bussiadi, I did Ginny and Kona Bosso. Ginny sunflower cooking oil. I want what's on your free sunflower mediani chair or no. Dear Bakwa, me pair with Ginny and Wayne when I say, Mediani, the Ginny Moa, a ye barco, barconi, Ram cranny, Kumeno. Na may salad, Ginny mayonnaise and quantum here is sunset. Money yet tasty. The sans so a Ginny milker, a non dairy creamer, Ginny sardine, and a sardine me pepper is sunset. Who bets me dear Gianni Pia, as the winner the two docuna. Who say you good. Roast spaghetti in so Ginny ebusia kuno. Listen, Becca Ginny ebusia kuno. Esan say, Ginny me fear de. Ginny dear, coso, FDIG, Jedian Kratwayatu.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisamo Nafi. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Honey. It's office sa unkuana when him Aquataps Food Safe and salad nini aba udini de piano. Aquatap Food Safe. And I'm a door home. I said with you.
Almost sounds what Aquataps water purification tablets. Omwa, omode ebulu munsio, efomunsio, surunsio, any sia, and one tea, a dear one da dedum, emfa or how be a embrace. Osanko de use my pomudin so in here yepa. And on tinamato Aquatap surface disinfectant. Yet me de paper surfaces beer, Emma and what say. Nonti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers, and if you fear Aquatabs Abama mo say, Ebejing, it will form for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi, and 020-907-7726 Accra, and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquatabs were pharmacies, drugstores, and supermarkets. FDA Aji Ejedi Nkratui Atum.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisemu Nafili. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Masks, sanitizer, social distancing. By now, we know what we gotta do. That doesn't mean we want to. We're all tired, but we're too far in to tap out. So let's keep it up just a little longer, so that soon we don't have to. So we can fill stadiums again and smile at strangers and hug the ones we love. We're all worth pushing for. So keep it up for all of us. Just one more push, Africa. Just one more push for Ghana, everywhere you go. For more inspiration, check out onemorepushafrica.com. A message from MTN and Yellow Hope.
I see you. Quality security door and a new space. Why affordably? What will be my bench depot? And the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. And then see four contracted. When you road marking paint. What will be my bench depot? Paint to quality usual. Sisiara, why you paint and pay later? It's Jessica Kakra. That's a 3 months. It's Jan Kane. And see if you are assassin real wooden here. Put in my bench depot. I must stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So I crack Kumasi Highway. Put him on Tobu to
Masa, Bright Soldier capsules. Dima Sama Mamio.
Share because on Kwana new Bright Soldier. A free brand me shall say me use Bright Garlic Plus no. Men sanity Ninano, Menusu and Chimmy, and the Menuma Tunino, a giant when you know now dear me.
Bright Soldier, it's me general body pains. Nasam Waba, and Wabama Tinka, a Costro Papa, a year Jumasa Unquina.
Hey,
Quack Pharmacy, Kameka, and the Hebas of Biamukajo, Bright Soldier, and the Bright Garlic Plus. At Tufunko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic, and Wonungwa Dogon, last stop, SL Junction, Flower 0243-983-906.
And 0261 651 898. Bright Garlic capsules. And your draw that FDA. I should just say a Jadian Kratway at Jatum say ye.
Ago class. Mental, Edieni mienu eni miensa.
Edionu miensa.
Mienu eni enai.
Edionu nai.
Mienu eni enum.
Sonata.
If you didn't know I anymore at Sana, a way did you money. Was a British Rai Dimono. Yet Hyundai Sonata Monuchia, Baku Edienum, any Sikachi did MTN at 25 promo. Coswa for MTN no money for out of phone. Nakasa, for texting, for browsing, for Isika, never send this car, Momonosu and Prepi, and Numuna will be your points. Who bet be the Hyundai Sonata Edienum, a Monuchia on Mubako, any Sikachi DP, Posumibia MTN at 25 promo. Star 156 hash, and the Nasa Waku to a would be the Kisibiase, MTN in Kwaso, everywhere you go.
Semisoriano pa, Kel Chaco toothpaste na midi chuchi missing. And mommy confidence, the morning in
Se wishia amana misifit gusuna mesrea. Eya wawahu. Me the Kel Chaco toothpaste. Ene chuchi missing. Oba di eni pa e wo biti yemuno. Eni edi aye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho bai e free mwawa e boy si mu tokro. E si ahye eni enumunka. Sure se amani Kel Chaco toothpaste insuni. Yeti center for.
Media magic Kel Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me shina no pa na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibi na ma. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ania ma menum di bidie twitwiri yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nkabia. Ma wonum ye gram. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA, Jadian Krato Yatumo.
This is Adome FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Ofia Kwanso,
with me and Jerry Justice on Atom 106.3 FM.
That's like two way we they play before social media taking market. She the fun big girl. Now that she the fun big girl. Oh no, I will be baby than a so trasako now take the pictures. Ah well, social media you and one they be cool.
That's right, yo, we are back. And this one is Nautica. Yeah, social media. And he's in the house. He's in the building, yo. It's your name about the bonk marker. But I said that we are a come for man on send young count Puma drink now, man. Some count this is here and a Philly. Say a cola and I say orange. And only a day quite anymore. Once in the 50 pesos respect, it's a whole new vibe. Are available on major distribution and wholesale points across the country. The door panel phrase 0262 351 251. FDI Mukratwe Mushimwaja Tum say, yeah. Efficasa Preco Company Limited. And then with TV, favorite program now show also no. Ubet me I enjoy no in 5 times clearer and brighter picture quality. Ni na say wunya HD plus decoder and be na dia bosso. But some count there from Electroland and now say multi TV dealer be across the country. Every HD plus decoder be able to be and so activate Wa brow dial star 879 hash. Now I follow prompt to unlock the HD channels as well as 2 months free subscription. After the free trial period, dial star 879 hash. Now I subscribe for either 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and now 12 months package. Yeah, no. I have 7 CDs, 25 CDs, 60 CDs, and then 210 CDs respectively. Abun sample more there. You know what I'm saying? National Society me aduma weekend 3 p.m. sharp Sunday. Our Adum FM so yeah the Mokasa Jumedi na April. Pokuya 101 and my 2. And Etremu Edimu Shame. Sponsored by Joy Industries, Amelina Children's Heaven, Apumdin Herbal Clinic, Jehovah is my friend restaurant, and I win Bora Spicy Kebab. Location Jehovah is my friend. And I did me be fear bro live on the radio. 7 SP now be PPM celeb speed now so be passing through near there. And now I call on you could treat yourself is the Mokasa is powered by Pukuya 101 concept. Yeah, now watching so sad. All right, so your man Nautica Kwaba now ye Ninko Nautica Kwaba.
Black jelly.
Damana ye share to be aboko there.
Aboko rapping.
Anu bina mi share o I feel your console there, but me we are not. Oh, I know what that's na. Na bibi aboko there.
Bra bibi aboko.
De nyamiase. Na ugusu se musa ani ada.
Kakra back to back sir. Back to back sir.
The other day na me say me share Nautica collection kakra me say no, but you two like joke. Mm-hmm. You get songs, you get hits.
Yeah, true.
And me share collabos now. Yeah. This one like this with Sack. He did on point. You there have songs. Just that song day. Now one song where they kill me. you there good song.
That one there.
But Simon and over church you. The song that moved me and over church you. And I say so only bitches. Hey Charlie. Different level, different level. But then because who said the other time you didn't come on and then you were saying something about her life but who's our young guys know her life no shut that in near who's but how come say why say her life boss
yeah who say the master la me person me boss life on say me who say me a colleagues like the youth me youth for I've realized say high life no we adi omupe but omupe say umboga na kakra na sounding bit say they can also relate to it and me who said about them in tiama me person me hitting it hard because everybody loves high life because high life boy we then I'll be chow nas but it depend on the kind of of tempola.
Yes.
So I think say my people love it.
Okay.
But they want it in a different way. So that's what I'm trying to do.
That's good. Now for meet you how Tianya Nautical Kwan or buy or bar in a buy because they say no I say if now basu ni edi what I say I saw basu so yes all the michi they say no they say I'm no more power that's on my power that's with us baby I'm no be say together and things dear baby come on near room but Charlie before we do that no Ode men done kakra. This song. That's right, y'all. Come on.
Holy Empire. Shouts to Black Jelly. We say we are favorite.
Come on.
Many there distinct. Other many then you mistake.
Come on.
I'm a fan go to display. Economic go to use a lipstick. Many there distinct. Other many then you mistake. I'm a fan go to display. Economic go to use a lipstick. Mami nani. So go nani. So we go on a manali. And I do no money. Mami nani. So go nani. That's right. So we go on a manali. And I do no money. Odo mi bo pono ma bi emi ben so magoro ni so o je se mi nyomo so ba ti emi yo ni mi ni no bosi ana de ni sabo ku je ni je feeling nana ke te di e bo mi o ye ma wa fe de bi be kamenti ma sekete o fe ma no de ya ba ma me o sepe o ma me head a ye se me kono mba bi emi o te ma sem so ati emi o se ka me no one can you against you when you mami nani so go nani you so be more na manale ala you don't know na money mami nani so go nani wati you so be more na manale ala you don't know na money power time we don't need no appetite. We go to start right there, man, you're not here to not take a bad guy. Shout to Coden. Come on. Yeah, we could get another girl. We could get another girl. Yeah, we know they stop with the jamming. We know they stop with the jamming. Yeah, we know they stop with the jamming. We know they stop with the jamming. Yeah, mami dale. So go nani. Yeah, we so we go on a manale. Ala ni no money. Mami dale. So go nani. We so we go on a manale. Ala ni no money. So me sa na yetu abasaku.
That's right.
Unya buna yeda baba bunu. So me sa na yetu abasaku. Unya buna yeda baba bunu.
Charlie, that be that song, man. Koye Rita. This song there, Charlie. But not to tell me, I mean, how I pick it. Artists know only on your songs now, Charlie. Spot on. But only Michi the idea. I say, Ubesiana. A supplying Ghana for that. Everybody say,
Yakasa supplying.
Everybody say, a collaboration. Is it? I'm a man for Casa Grovo. If you cross a master to Chimpran, so right now, this is all right, Michi. Okay, all right, catch him. Everybody say, Enna, only Nautica. Josh in Besno, Michelle.
you share music junction through a music friend. Yeah, and you know, the vibe near nice.
Sana. It's you say now we are not be alcohol. It's the kind of fashion said drink, you know, no lie, there's a strictly music.
No lie.
Gotta walk us out. But Michi, catch me. I mean, whoever, that we know about. After I'm breaking news to you that Nautica wanted to do this with you, you know. How did you take it? Not to say.
Oh, I was cool because many Nautica were songs that I this was not something new. I've been in the studio with him, it was cool. I was ready to do it. Just that was the way, you know, it's quite a different style from what I've ever tried before, I was open to it, but now I was also skeptical.
Okay. I just didn't want to touch on this, but for you may appreciate this conversation more. You know, let me just touch a little bit on that. Ever since I buy music, I know Kakrano, everyone said 10 times now only one done. So I say now people were like, oh, send the lovers na ABI, so he's just trying to put her in there near there. And after now say shut down your involvement not that much. And people were like, oh, say we the ABI pass it to be. So now should we take it say musically, you know, we are open. So like any artist be or person no you may be and you are there and maybe we know there because on a Nautica vibe no other than and a collaboration we possible and now.
Well, between me and Nautica, there's a vibe. But I'm also open to any other collaboration. Time I work, I say, let's say Love is just trying to do something. It could more than 7 million.
Of course.
So, you know, now that we say we are serious, you should expect serious stuff, something nice, you know, more nice stuff. And anybody who wants to work piano, Kudina. Come along.
All right, so Nautica, share a new way who has some what does it really talk about?
It's just to talk about, I mean, how okay we are, people are. It talks about, you know, how you have to work hard for the money for the accounting side. Yeah, it also talks about, you know, say there are some people that you share stuff with that it has to be on the low. Not anybody has to know what you people talk about or share. This song talk about a lot of things, and her verse too talks about different, you know, vibes. So the song has a whole lot in there.
Okay, but we'll listen to it. But Sana, no, there's another song. Bijo and Pese check it. Not the guy. Until anyway, so you show you know your bar. Now make sure say Ampa BBI okay Ampa with you and Michi collaboration, right?
Friday, we are starting to you day here where you know come the party make we dance. If you know say you day here where you know papi battle make we dance. Make we pop the bottle, make we pop the bottle, make we pop the bottle. Chairman, I say that the bottle. And then they will be nigga base. Say a papi and I come in the way I pass out with you. Say come on the motion be my baby. Dragging it down with me crazy. Baby papi mo way atika. Say free her patu. With the mudiako mama honka. Your back out fligo. Make me papi body. Make we pop the bottle. The bottle. Make we pop the bottle. The bottle. She don't wonder how we do it though. Enye juma na susu ye didio. Eyo muwawa ewo. Ode mami ewo. Ewo. Age babu. Imechi enkosa. Azotana kaida, oferi ata hedisi yo. Dana Jide Yankoda, Imechi Yankose, Azukuna Kaida, Uferia Kahenisi, Wati, Dana Jide Yankosa, the body, make we pop, the body, 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 if you know say you dey here, where you walk on the party, make we dance. If you know say you dey here, where you know Papi Bado, make we dance. Shake, make we pop the bottle, make we pop the bottle. Chairman, I say that. Chairman say shake, make we pop the bottle, the bottle. Say baby,
against the weekend streets.
Against the weekend.
That's right. Now, before I buy new one, who did that song?
Okay, that song. I did my verse. She also did it.
No, but the engineer that worked on it.
Okay, it was Sky Beats.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he works on almost all the songs.
All right. I was the new joint from Nautica and alongside Michi. Now, said you're okay. Yeah, okay.
I wish you with the bad girls in this.
Yeah, that's where it's supposed to be. We no come mess up, we come to enjoy. And you can't turn a head in, we come plus convoy. We know the cool down, we did the step. The pipe and tour, we don't come invest. If you are a bro now, we go boost make you vest. You vest, your mama go vest. You don't enter. Mommy, I'm a country of your lucky. Okay. But the mommy, I'm a country of your lucky.
Listen, I say, hey, I'm up. Listen, me a slave queen, I'm up. Okay. Listen, me a boss chick, I'm popping. When you sick, I say, open, I'm popping. Coco, such a free, I'm popping. I'm fuck me here, Richie, I'm popping. I'm getting this sexy,
Boy, your bodies make me play. Cigar back, go fear. You don't enter. I'm gonna check account. You don't enter. You see there, you don't enter. I'm gonna check balance. You don't enter.
No, but we need to do this one more time. We need to do it again. We need to do this one again.
We don't come mess up, we come to enjoy. And you can't turn a head in, we come plus convoy.
That's right.
We know the cool down, we did the step. Yeah, pipe and tour, we don't come invest. If you are a bro now, we go boost make you vest. You vest, your mama go vest. You know it. Check account, you know it. I'm here. I'm on check balance. I check him. Whoa, be behind your day, babe. Okay, I do. Okay. When the mommy have me catch up, yeah. Okay. When the mommy have me catch up, yeah.
Yes, I'm say I'm up. Yes, me a slay queen, I'm up. Yes, me a boss shit, I'm up. And you think I said friend, I'm up. I'm up. I'm funny, Richie, I'm up.
Which one? Every day, call your parties, make we play. Pass it. Hey, why day? Every day, Sika or back, for fear. You know it. I'm gonna check account. You know it. I'm gonna check balance. You know it. Finish. Okay. We saw the mommy I'm here there. That's another mommy I'm can do that. Oh, the mommy I'm can chop Okay.
Charlie, so that be the new joint too. Okay. It is said that 9 there. And you're okay, so you're okay. Okay, my boss. But I will order. I mean, can okay? I mean, no. You see. Anyway, na kasa the assembly ba. Anyu na kasa the assembly ba. Oh, and. Mummy and Nui. Okay. And said in a line, I know best. No, I know best. All right, so okay, it's out there everywhere near dinner. Yeah, and after this, yes, I shall another thing and him be more na Mummy and Nui. Because they say, are you okay, dear?
Yeah, okay.
Are you okay? Not try to answer
that. Which you need to answer this.
Okay, all right. Which yes, so they will answer. So after this, are we going to see another thing?
This is the owner of the studio. Yeah, I just have to carry my voice. So I'm sure we would. We'll definitely record more.
All right. Because more vibe, near cool, sir.
Because we have another song together.
Yeah.
Which is
mo vibe near cool, you know. Mo bet me I near match and there, you know. Say, you be a new live near there. Say, oh,
I mean, my boyfriend.
Michi,
your friend of Majesty.
Oh, nah. And I said, you're
very jealous boyfriend.
Oh, no. As for boys, need there. Then be jealous. Oh, mammy, there. We're never not talk of for mommy. Who are you? Who are you talking to? Because I show.
Who are you talking to? Cut the call.
Wow. So way. And Nautica also.
And he's my biggest fan now.
Yeah. When you send one person media, not just already a Canary. I said, from Charlie. Anyways, Nina time. Charlie. And I want to sound best sign but Mama in Japan, and then I mean we got your banks, you know there. Anyway, Biana, Charlie, vibe na interested a bit me pushy things kakra kana Bibi sweat me akwe. But if there's any other we be on person more to more fans any minute if we 18 Charlie acquainted down.
All right. Okay, so as of you know, okay, attach it down.
Sharp.
Yeah, okay. But also okay more. It's keeping a moon online, a moon streaming okay by Nautica and Michi.
All right.
A banger power.
Serious one.
Push it to the top. And they did December yo.
Yes.
And to everybody out there who is also listening or watching live Facebook. Someone says when you say fresh.
Yeah.
Shows them
yes. Okay, so talk about shows name brand. If a man for person contact him for maybe events be near there, I don't know.
Maybe like wait me hit me up for me IG.
Okay.
And Bekasa.
And handle there then.
Nautica GH.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. IG. And Nautica NAUTYCA.
Okay. Okay. And then Mitch Woody and so.
Pacho, media near Instagram MICHYGH. Michi GH.
Okay.
It's together. Facebook so Michi MICHY.
Okay.
Right. I have to say a very big thank you to my producer. Skybeat.
Wow.
For your wonders.
Wow.
I say baby, Skybeat.
That's nice.
You sport there. You sport everywhere.
That's nice. All right, Charlie. Big ups to you guys now. So we did for you guys. You go enter. Where if you enter to Euroverse too. At all.
I wish you with the bad girl. When I was there, yeah, June FM, all the hits and more. We come to enjoy, and you can't turn your head emo. We come plus convoy. We do the cool down, we did the steps. If I pay to we don't come invest. If you are a bro now, we go boost make you vest. Your mama go vest. You don't enter. Check account, you don't enter. You don't enter. Check balance, you don't enter. Okay. But the mommy, I'm a control, yeah, look. Okay. But the mommy, I'm a control, yeah, look.
Yes, I said, hey, I'm yes, me a slay queen, I'm yes, me a boss chick, I'm and you suck a silver pen, I'm everything cook and start to free, I'm my fuck me, you richie, I'm don't get me sex and caca. But you morning, one papa.
Why there?
Every day.
Call your bodies, make me play. Bounce. Why there? June FM, all the hits and more. Sika back, we'll be it. You don't enter. Come on, check account.
You don't enter. A happy birthday going out to Mary Donko, also known as Kalashos. Singer Mwabing. This one's come from Nana Kwantabisa. Wishing you a happy birthday. Okay. Radio to me say vibe or dome. I say my heart is awash with floods of happiness and contentment on this special day. A great history celebrate itself today. Happy birthday to me. I wish myself a world of joy and happiness. Samuel Inku. Wow. And also a happy birthday going out to Janet. Sweetie Inkum. May all your dreams come true on this special day. A happy birthday, Sissy. I wish we're as good as maybe a sister to you as you are to me. I am so lucky to have you. Thanks for always believing in me. Happy birthday, Juliet Benson. Okay. And today happens to be your birthday, Esther, all the way in Norway. Imasa Menkancho say, Nyame onsha pa na ontun kwandem na onhu ade a onkancho on your special day. Iti di obeka ne say, Nyame nhira enye kese wo so na de aka bia ese rade dum bia no onfa enka ho. Esther or Norway. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Kindly wish my brother Alexander Kobina of Trosako a happy birthday for me. May his life be filled with sweet moments, happy smiles, and blissful memories. And this one came in from Felix Bell. Hey. Okay. 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 And a happy birthday in advance, and comma L. Jason in Kunim Edu Efisa of Site 17, Community 1, Tema. You are 2 years old today. We ask the Almighty God to give you long life, wisdom, knowledge, to be great, to be a great person, and also pour His blessings upon you. And we love you dearly. From your granddad, Uncle Sam of Escas, Tema Community 2, and your grandmother, Tiomi Nukabuma, Mr. and Mrs. Efisa, and then from your dad and your mom, also say another Mr. and Mrs. Efisa, and Mr. and Mrs. Aidan of Site 15, Gulf City, and the nephews Nina. Now wish you a happy birthday. We also say happy birthday. And come on, Deacon Theophilos Emisa. No. There be a Siam on minimum. Mistake. Deacon Theophilos Siam Emisa. Igora. And one will be other friend. Tema Community 1. Church of Pentecost. May the good Lord grant you long life with good health, wishing you well in all your endeavors. From the wife and the children. Okay. And a happy 50th birthday going out to Loveless. If you are HOB assistant domestic, they are trashing away. Amo. Oh yes, St. Paul's SHS. From Lawson MGL and not the way a buyer. Yeah, trust me anyway.
Sami sorry no pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. E ma me confidence. The money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me si fit guso na me sre a. E ya wanwa hu. Me de Kel Chaco toothpaste. E ne twitwi me se. Obo ade ni pa e wo bidie mu no. E ne dia ye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban. E free mowa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye e ne numunka. Sure say amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Me de ma Kel Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me use na no pa. Ya na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso entibi na ma. Na me si 32 ni na guso.
En kaneno ani ma me num di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. E ma sinye fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nka bia. Ma wonum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA, Adi, to Yatumo.
Voice number. Share. Why you know that say Ubet me invite players be to say Ronaldo, Messi, and Mbappe about them. What you know that say Ubet me nyatinka e want you big games no e want them. Onia, what you who say Ube enjoy home ground advantage. Serie A, La Liga, Premier League, UEFA Europa, any leagues se kuku them you know bro fum e want them. Ana Jano for 89 Ghana cedis called you GoTV decoder. Any year na upgrade called GoTV Max. So no fear and yes football hifian kasa. So to new decoder. Test GoTV call short code 1731. GoTV, love it.
Drama from day one.
Alandia Eva Bill, she said was sorry, now shed a foot for ye. I say, a bit to me, yama, baby, I'm out. Alandia Eva Milk, what will make you feel
Anopabia num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium womb na ni gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap milk mano paye de papa. Ejedi nkratwe FDA agiatum.
Discover a world of taste sensations. Whether it's cheesy pizzas, fresh tilapia and banku, yam and pork, or wachi, the choice is yours. Enjoy your favorite or try something new. It's the Ghana Food Festival, so this September, you can enjoy a month-long celebration of food from a range of restaurants, all for 5% off when you use your MasterCard to pay. Visit www.globalaccelerx.com.gh/campaigns to find out more. Terms and conditions apply. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
Oh boy, now when it is so, Charlie Many Ho, as I say, me rush through Fiesta games were ho. Nothing Thursday. Nanka say, dear, go TV Titans, I had the rough. UEFA Europa League, and Dasso, and a UEFA Conference League in Sutia. Wow, when now go TV so? Nanka, Minia. Go TV live with the 89 Ghana Cedis Benya decoder. Now upgrade called Go TV Max. So now we enjoy games in na. Switch called Go TV. Essence Go TV na Europa. Any Conference League fee. Hey, now where Jamie came here. Sell per sell to new decoder. Text the Go TV cost short code 1731 and now stay connected. Now manage your account from my Go TV app no so. And she share a crowd. Go TV, love it.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow, and you offense Swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for the animal somewhere who by no. And Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Say, dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, don't know what dance you say. And Yarua who run Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, you want suing, you know, a way of buying every home. And now I'm pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and no Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep pinti. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esiomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kaisi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jedi and Cratry, Magia to Musay.
At Sankofa, Yenchi. There's nothing wrong going back to get what may still be yours. From 18 September at 8 p.m., tune into the explosive second season of Sankofa on Aquaba Magic Channel 150 on DSTV for a second season of drama, tears, joy, rejection, and reconciliation. The show helps identify reasons why couples break up and support them in fixing their lost relationships and love life. Get a DSTV decoder, dish, and a 1-month access for 169 Ghana Cedis and upgrade to the compact bouquet for 108 Ghana Cedis to experience the home of Ghanaian content. Terms and conditions apply.
Discover a world of taste sensations. Whether it's cheesy pizzas, fresh tilapia and banku, yam and pork, or wachi, the choice is yours. Enjoy your favorite or try something new. It's the Ghana Food Festival, so this September, you can enjoy a month-long celebration of food from a range of restaurants, all for 5% off when you use your MasterCard to pay. Visit www.globalaccelerx.com.gh/campaigns to find out more. Terms and conditions apply. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
Wondering what to do with your Cerelac 400-gram tin? The new Cerelac Wheat 350-gram pouch value pack is the ideal choice to refill your tin. It is affordable, convenient, and still provides key nutrients, iron, vitamin A, B, and D, zinc, and iodine to support normal cognitive function and help promote optimum growth and development. Grab your value pack at a retail shop near you. Cerelac 350-gram, more for less. This advert is FDA approved.
I see you. Quality security door and a new space. Why affordably? What Bobby Man Paint Depot and the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? What quality security doors? And then see for contracted. When you road marking paint. What Bobby Man Paint Depot? Paint to quality usual. Say why you paint and pay later? It's Jessica Kakra. That's a 3 months. It's Jan Kane. And see if you are assassin river wooden here. Bobby Man Paint Depot. I must stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So Accra Kumasi Highway. Bobby Man Tobo to
At Sankofa, Yenchi. There's nothing wrong going back to get what may still be yours. From 18 September at 8 p.m., tune into the explosive second season of Sankofa on Aquaba Magic Channel 150 on DSTV for a second season of drama, tears, joy, rejection, and reconciliation. The show helps identify reasons why couples break up and support them in fixing their lost relationships and love life. Get a DSTV decoder, dish, and a 1-month access for 169 Ghana cedis and upgrade to the compact bouquet for 108 Ghana cedis to experience the home of Ghanaian content. Terms and conditions apply.
Amanfo mechiamo sabre ya yare kodiegu COVID-19 abehye wo maimi ye mofre ya bambo kese pa na se ye ahwefo awofo asori mpenifo ni titru ahemfo ye wasodie kese pa se ye boy my who ban etimi mai mo fa semra ni so ko musa awonso a etimu na mo de hand sanitizer asasra musa ho brano mo twe mo ho efi ni padodo mu afia mo mode se mo be she nose mask brebiara ana bra mo ko padodo mo bo wazo a mo tissue mu ana se handkerchief mu ne na na odam jam fiam to so miansa o ma hin across the kokko oti region magia to me ho so se me ye gaka damboni na yema ho ato bedamose.
This message is brought to you by the government of Ghana with support from UNICEF and partners.
Use the stones again.
Say, well, let be that. You don't know, say we they make late where they make at the wedge.
Oh, Charlie Kwabuna, it no be me, oh, no be me. It be the program I they watch for that my new HD Plus decoder I got to. Solid stuff, I tell you. It they allow me make I enjoy my favorite local TV channels in razor sharp, high definition quality. It be 5 times better than SD. Everything make clear. What? It check like I did their song. And channel selection, A1. I mean, I can scroll to see what each channel will show even 1 week ahead. Plus, I go fit preview the channels before I go watch. Oh, Charlie, this is the power to select what you want. They spoiled there for me.
You too can watch your favorite local channels feely in true HD quality. Look sharp and get yourself the new HD Plus decoder and experience world-class television at an affordable price. Existing multi-TV customers do not require a new satellite dish. For more information, visit hd-plus.com.gh. HD Plus, the feely experience.
Munia, yet to unlimited course of Vodafone Red so no one yana. Jack, me to no expiry of Vodafone Red. Hey, star 200 hash me wa. Hey, Matthias here, when you be what Vodafone Red, no lie, Coca to me top man do you be Kasako and browse it. Vodafone Red, star 200 hash system. Cecilia, ye Kasako no near browse. Star 200 hash, Maui unlimited course called Vodafone to Vodafone so. Data boom full, talk time be bria, what be friend now for 4 more other networks so we and Sado a bonnet da from now we know sika home fast one so Vodafone ready there we know but star 200 hash na you package ya a yama a free 1 Ghana cedi aircraw Vodafone.
Gino Magic Pepper on it tomato mix. Gino Magic Pepper.
New Gino Magic Pepper and Onion is a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Yeah, dada. Super Nedrian no abbing. And everyone loves it too.
And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof, eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice. This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice. This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
I'm feeling lonely. Baby, I'm coming over with the race. If I try my friend, Mrs. Sia, now you're the Ashishaso. I know your Bassima shed here. But don't forget, sir, the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, and also Basso Den. Yes, the fair clinic near the Brown this Saturday. Saturday, yeah, baby. Continue week, right? Not the 2nd, and then Sunday, the 3rd of October. 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily in Tibomodian channels. No, you out on one Jimubi. Put me following our social media handles. Nina, where is your hashtag Joy Habitat Fair? For further inquiries, now our friend 054-690-8179. Sounds like me our friend 054-011-0389. The Joy News EcoBank Habitat Fair is in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank. Powered by the Plant City Extension Project by Cities and Habitat, Rent to Own, and also sponsored by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof expert. And our Renters Paradise, we help people and properties find each other. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, everything housing. MTN Summon Country also Guswe celebrating the 25th anniversary on the site, 2021. Sonata Mako 25. Yeah, they check. Quite free. And we MTN our 25 mega promo now. They bring no more. It's because I use MTN number no fakasa for test for browsing. Use MTN app no, use to pause app no, use to Momo no. They gain more points. Just dial *156# today to begin your journey to win big. Only on MTN. Everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. All right, call me now. Yo, production, are you ready? 0302216561 0302216562. Hello, first caller. Good evening.
Hello. Good evening.
About your friend, say.
But your friend, Ama.
Amasa.
Ama
Janwa. Okay. You, Ama mi pacho. Why a crowd there?
Pacho, I.
Oshana ye no one can nest near Aquay anywhere, Ama.
Pacho, you, my.
It's Ama or time no Esha says is here.
Pacho, you.
Okay. Everybody now, if he, clock na in Brana fee, Ama time in chassis. Okay, Ama Yanko.
Okay.
Me pacho female celebrity ben or Basima advert nimu.
Pacho Emilia Broby.
AGI I endorse Obasima seal. Me pacho AGI ni meaning full meaning here then.
Pacho Association of Ghana Industry.
Which other company and also I endorse Obasima seal?
Pacho what you need.
Which other company and also I endorse Obasima seal?
But Ghana Standard Authority.
Pacho, ye can say Obasima seal our food product be one. As you're saying,
Obasima war
product be one.
Pacho, let's say it was 18 essential vitamins.
Okay, all right. 18 Pacho Koswana 18 na Obeti enka. Why? Okay. Na fe yen fa your next caller na ye ne ono so nto aso yen hwe de ono so ebetimi aye na ye kwa anim sa pepe na ade na kwa ye nyina fa konche ba ko mienu miensa na chese san no na ye nimu a na ye kro no sa pepe. All right, so your fan next caller sharp. Hello. Your fan next caller. Hello. Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
Your friend saying?
What's your family, Ruth?
What's say? Ruth.
Patron.
Okay, Ruth Patron, why ready?
Patron, ready.
And then what time the chance is here?
Okay.
Me Patron, mommy one biscuit product. I want Basima seal one.
Lola Biscuit.
Obasima Foods no a boost to strengthen the immune system no cry na no cry.
Ato cry.
Obasima Foods no enye good for children, yes or no?
No.
Okay. Obasima colors no any day.
Green and yellow.
Mame one vitamin and a mineral. Yeah, what Obasima Foods emu?
Vitamin A.
What is the slogan for Obasima?
So stay strong, stay healthy. Stay healthy, stay strong. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that's why.
Yo.
It's because we're tea, why?
Okay.
Bibia be fine, why?
All right.
Bye-bye. The next caller. Okay, my brother. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Pacho, at the same. Miss Maria Pa, you're from Sebema.
Seth Ajiman friend.
Seth Ajiman. Okay, Sato, why ready?
My ready.
What time is this here? Why?
Okay.
Pacho, how many products are currently on market or Basima Sino?
7 food products.
How many minerals and vitamins now Basima Foods no?
18.
Which male celebrity and what Obasima advert no?
Acrobatic.
Obasima Foods no ensure better birth outcomes, true or false?
False.
Sunny Gary mix and Kovi Gary mix. Emu dia wen and I want Obasima seal no ever home.
Sunny Gary mix.
Mame, one benefit of Obasima Foods.
Nutrition.
What's it?
Nutrition.
Benefit near nutrition.
Yeah.
Okay. Yo. Me da wasi bebre why?
Yo, me see that.
Jeku. Oh, how to say? Oh, we have a question. All right, your friend next caller now. Yeah, there or no so Edinam. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening.
Good evening. The same.
But yo, now say.
Miss Noya Pa. Everyone say.
Lydia Eja.
Lydia Eja.
Yes.
Oba Lydia, o time no. Shall say why?
But yo.
Me pacho female celebrity ben or Basima advert num.
Clementos Suarez.
Okay, so AGI I endorse your Basima seal no. Me pacho AGI no na se chere anything.
But next question.
Okay, apart from AGI, which other company and why endorse your Basima seal no?
Food and Drug Authority.
Okay. Now, you can say Obasima seal our product be more. Now you're purchasing. Say,
madam.
I'm my last chance. Say Obasima seal our product be more. Saying.
So Obasima.
Illa. Bibia be fine. Bibia be fine. You're fine. Next caller. Hello.
Hello, Jerry.
Yes, my dear. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah. At the same.
Yami Admo now.
Adumninti mensume ho yepa.
Yo.
Great. My men san from baby na ye for ye say why trauma by way. E pacho o time no e sha sisi here. Why?
Yo.
Okay. E pacho which female celebrity na wo Obasima advert no?
Me pacho Emilia Brobe.
AGI I endorse Obasima seal no. Me pacho AGI ni fu mi ne den. Aside AGI, which other company na why endorse Obasima food no?
Food and Drug Authority.
Me pacho ye ka say Obasima si wo food product bi ho a ase che ne saying.
Ase che ne say man ho ne.
Mame one biscuit products. Ewo basima seal no.
The patch Lola biscuit.
Yo, ene na ye da wase bebre. Why?
Bye.
Yo, bye. Patro, your last caller. Last caller. Na fancy. Yenya brepa, ye pentem na. And you may your church service. Pentem pa. And rapa na me pentem pa kwaswa na. Hey, emom say moto idea. Yeah. Oh, amampani. Whether ye bibi pa na ka mo dinka say wo de wadaruma open so na mo save moto in life why. Yeah. Say the woo. Last caller, hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
What you saying?
Yes, I do want to answer.
Me ho ya papa. Adum ninti. Your friend saying?
But your friend is Sharon.
Sharon, no brand shall say see why.
Okay.
Good. Me pacho, how many products now currently on market? I want Basima see no home.
7 products.
How many minerals and vitamins and I want Basima foods?
18.
Male celebrity bang and a war Obasima advert.
Clement Suarez.
Obasima foods no ensure better birth outcomes. No cry, no cry.
No cry.
Sunny Gary mix, Kovi Garmix. Emudia when a war Basima see no home.
Sunny Gary mix.
Mommy, one benefit of Obasima foods.
Prevent anemia.
Mommy, 3 essential minerals and vitamins I want Basima foods.
Vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin E, and iodine.
Hey, I didn't miss me and sister now.
Oh, okay.
I am to go sweating. I better think, all right. Omo Bosi. Yep. Yes. Hey. Damani. Ebeye. Kakra, we are very fine. Abusia, baby aduno, yam monitor na yamfa we so na menena na bom pudimpu ache. Enti no yenhwe na yentifio na fe yamfa de aka no so na yenkope baby emfa no pino emu kakra na said na me ka no muntie men to the president of the republic Nana Adodanko Akufo-Addo say me kotodwe gu efom a chese me nsada me say me panichew say wo de onye hwe magana anka onse bi kwa me nkroma motorway na ye money din en mata ho say na penso en otimi gi motorway ni nkwana say de ekum adasa na abro so dodo hey enema ni tua pa naka abbo baby a wase no abom na fe ayi concrete no atu say na nam kwan no so ko ase de akola bi na atobo aden now hwe iron rod say piepio mu enti boys bi person mu save life enti omo twetwa nwura say pa na omo de abegu sa amana no mu say the bear drivers enya we ni do a omo be say no so mo avoid that spot. The motorway has become a death trap. President ye bibi never save o mawai yes so when kwa de kotodwe egu form and sadan say yam do this one thing penny modin e matan why yes so bebre e makra enhwe o motorway no so e pacho nana akwaba
me joso
emponu mu to say
yankopon adom emponu me ye
that's it
takranga kramon pai boya minia
ebeye
nyametias
yaka na nyame de be so bibia be fine
me hu say na o chile wo duba na so minia en bia sa bren kam ne bia na am say Kenya o say hin no
yeah
life there you have to you know I said they be our explore
and no credit
they say so where I
o den chem ne ade na
eh good
other ones be in na nemu
yeah because into over net saying
about no Kenya me enim ni me number bre different emwa but aboa ba kwa metimi akanfo ne nampai denchem then chem na mo de bruta menua na minim beginning I wanted to avoid it but me and I'm saying no tiafe me wiwie no said the taste ne tie ne ade no na me san GB tiafe Ghana for no na omde ba no mo avoid no me hwe ba bi omo fa no na me sorry free me table no na me call ho sharp na me catch omo nyina say enam no de ba na yeden chem obi a ompe bia de onye omo nyina age a omo ngada ngu complete no na me hwe no ma preach o mu ye emu ye but who say paga ho ne ade no any other places no say adenchem na ya temi wom no say okwa utimi ko tratra wom so ne ade no wanya ma me won say man ron wom nam no say me ko ba bi wom na me ko gigi mani me ko tratra wom so
sorry can my nam no ba bi abefa bi wom po so me de ne hu say wa bi kura ho
ayo wan say bi say me ko ba bi adenchem obi a ese me yesterday
we say paga crazy say okọ men try awe kura oh chale na
so ya bi adu bi e fa mi ni a
yes ye say ache
amba
ye say ache ya me adu kwaku betumi aye de oso ya ansa na wakọ na kwaku hwemu kire se nipa da sani yeyi mframa anadwo a ya da na sin daytime nipa bia no anadwo uyi mframa mo ba daytime no wonam kromo eno no mframa no uyi no 11 anadwo uyi ni bebre no wonder say eto da abeda so so bie luvers no minim de ntia mprempi ni ko bebre da so ya ajo bie mpoma obi kwa ti bie do no sei na ase bibia pi no sa
onye fresh kaka
nti ehwemo asam me hu say e ma so yi mframa mo se mema na ma de no so ipa na yesi de hu kura na yesi bie ma omnyem no omso mo de nde enye easy
ni nyina ne se e ma entan nya won nan wohwemu a emema jom nan chen e ma obetimi ni oba tukwa ko ba bi e bia 3 days no obeja nan ba akopɛ
no ban go weekend man good da say sister ne
jana nan si oba bi obedu bia no obehwe no waye ne ho yie ni ade ba oba obehwe no ho age wa ko ni fie obetimi na tukwa 3 days ni na onye hwe
ba yanka kire ma omo yesa ne say dangerous wo yo oba na say o ade no bana still unsa ade no kwaku say ede wo chenso saa na wampe ba bi an release a na no asa
na I say reverse bi no
bad pa obi a otisa bi a otie me na nwumre hye no so say ekohia say wo say uja wo nan ana wo yi mframa e ma mo mpem mframa yi but ena menua ne ka no ade a ewo ma so mema de ye de mfa ho metia isisi aka me kra metima boko he kra wu se maye
bo ane ne na mframa mu ane ko
ni na mframa mu sa to ansa e 3 bi hoko na kwa kusu be nti unhu de oye
ye de sa na ira
na sa na ko ha ba ye nua no ma na mpene sa but nei no nhwemu kire se eya menhodi ade no back eya menhodi ade no back because the more na uhodi ade no sa no the more water o body no remove from waste no eti eya sa na edo ha brew sabi enya bone da so obeja honan enya bone da so obeyi mframa onyankopon ne nimde mu no obo nipa no saa na wahyehye no system no eka ho jonso nie ajanan nie mframa yie nie ni nyina ka abrabo no ho enti se oya wadwe ade a menim se bia nka bia mo office bia mo ye meeting no na de ba utimi kashe kakra tika opie ya na atwans wa mia na atwana nyina ba obi de na se o mani mpie kra tie saa de no etimi de uyefunu oha bra uyefunu ema uyefunu bloti nti obi wo ha ne yefunu ya kakraka ni na nya bibia o mframa na o mani mpie no e na aboa no woni yam nti sometimes kwa uyefunu no odon sabo ne se ya utum se eye din me pa cho memfa nya agudie se wo ye nipa na ade chi na untumi nyi mframa untumi nja wonan a enya de papa onipa bia ade chi a wanja wonan kra no enya once a day obi o ya na nopa asa obi on so ye na nwumre obi on so kra bia 2 days ni onja ne nanda me ba twa se wo sa problem na tutumirika kope givers co capsules enini givers co capsules sa do we unya bi na no mo a eba boa am wade wo ho afri sa problem no mu ebia enya de wo pe no se wo betwe akọ be hodi ne back but ebia na system no ene ma ne basa mesre se emfere da so be yimframa so far as how ye dipa wudidi a wono ma akọ bade mframa na obeyi because nuane na yedi no e wo se de enye wom ni nyina be sipie hye no so sama me etu ye obi a wo agyanan ho problem ana mframa ye ho problem a ko pe givers co capsules sa wo ye oba sa wo ye bema wonya givers co capsules bi na no mo a eba boa ama watumi ade ho afiri sa problem no mo me ba twa nhwemu asam ya ate ase se Johnson a ye fe ne Johnson no ede wa na wabombode ape ba bi agina na wa den wabu nsuo the only time a utimi holding the kakra na ye say bia te say Jerry kasa yi at once on to me nye mame akua donko de ni bi so patwa me Johnson abo ye ntimi nye ne sa nti obeka hye kakra na wa na dwuma nti mo say owie ya first no akọ washroom na wa pie ni nyina gu abonten ye be sere Johnson de wa Johnson Emma Johnson ne wonche bebre nya sa o blada no ho beka onipa bia no se problem ba o blada ho a ene wan hwe yakura ba Johnson agu ho sa afo no na se wo no mo tikab na mo kokuma se a every 15 minutes bia driver patrol meye mi huye sa esa kura na ofere wan kan so a o ba Johnson agu ho me patrol se wo yo bia wa hodu Johnson na che na ene ama problem aba o blada mu nje se Johnson de wa na epie untumi hode ne kakra pe me pacho onipa bia opeso hu se wanya problem e wo blada mu no e wo se Johnson de wa utumi hode ne kakra but obi wo ha ede na no Johnson me pacho e basa wodro e ye givers capsules etunya givers capsules no now combine with givers co no na fa sando mi no obomu a eboa wo ajanan ni mu eboa wo from ayemu no na esan so boa wo Johnson mu tumo se sa no ma mienu ni nyina no wanya ne pepepe oyo oba na wo problem e wo wonyin mu ofa afu ana sei me pa chom fa sha ba ifo wonya sando mienu wei givers capsules givers co capsules na mo Obema untimi hye oba anyensen wanya de fe ne low sperm count emo na ewo semenum enkwamo na ye fe ne semen no anase nsuo na ye fe ne semen enkwamo na ewo ma from sperm no sa amwa no ene boa etu nkosua wo ba anase ema oba ne take seed ba se wo semen no sperm na ewo mu na ye weaker kosua no omuntumi nto to ebasa one oba na bedi agwa no pawie nwumre oba no mfa afuro wabusuafo de be hye oba ne so sister no oba be no akọware ni onwo enso na problem ne ye be ma no unya givers p eni givers ko na kabom na nom na emwa me ba chonkomo aye di se wo bibi busa your number is 0543 322 na se 2 ne miensa 222470 0543 222470 me ba cho sa wo dwonso ho problem o dwonso a wo chim o do na pimpim ho o kikam ansa na watumi adwonso ba kokora ya wo mse wa dwonso wie na wo ba beka ade na hye ho na watu zip mu no na asan ye se dwonso ni bi dubiem anasa wakoya ne so na wagyaw na wie kura na oba be sore no eno ye omamo kokoko no pass no wo ye se wapepa ho na wie na oba be sore na anasa ase foforo ba biem na wasan tena se ye nipa bebreda oh yes esa na na hadwen nti wonya givers p ni ko ni bi na kasa ndo mi no bum na no mebeboa wanya namu sa yade wo ho ana se bi obema mu esoso nsufita bi frim bale ayi bi frim sa ase flu bi sa mesrew wo ho na se rashes abegu wase wo yo ba na bema rashes abegu wase ojo so a oti pains wo ma se ekuro aba obema mu ekuro aba wase mesrew unya givers p ni ko na ekuro ba wase a yemfa nsuohia emia ekuro ba wase a yemfa gv enguso ekuro ba wase a yemfa plaster ntare yemfa topa enguso wadro eye givers p ni ko no o kabom na no ma ebekum kuro ni nyina ye ba be wie no me ka wo se Ghana ba bia ye ton ado bia se ye pharmacy chemical herb and drugstore ba bia no obenya givers p capsules eni ko no hye no so se eye man na mema duro be ma wa ye mre won paso oba wa ye mre won paso oba ontumi receive ni ye ene be ma ontumi give ni ye no nyina mumie no nyina mo problem mo pe givers p ni ko na monom ye sorry sui na me the givers mesha ene wie aduro we ye ntwen ma yade no kra mansa na yanom pe bi na nom na emwa malaria aduro tatahwe sa wo malaria na unyam givers heba mesha ibi na nom na malaria na nkwa fatwa no ko na kwaji usika etu typhoid ase etu fever etu malaria join this wona me yawo wa bre wote bre untumi didi wonum akumaduane bi anya ode wo techere maso nya ode wonum aye nwonwonwo no mesre se wo problem wonam obi wo ha odidi panso fon na ofon ase omoja so tibisa menkototo moja duro bi anom keke no ma bibidura any susanso bia any side effect bia FDA for approval jatum say ye fe ni givers eba mesha tie de be ma obenyina kere say entwen yare debianom na embusi immune system no na hoɔden bra immune system no mu na nya hoɔden fa kɔ adwuma so mepa cho ya wie mpanyifo sɛ asempa yetia kasa tintin entopɔnkɔ na no obi ka sɛ oh ɔkra awe ne nam ɛna ɔsɛ ɔyɛ dede ɛna obi busa sɛ na nam no na wo sɛ uniska ɔkra de nka nam
ahia no bɛrɛ
nfie no waku asensen demu a ɔkra de nka ahia de bi ahia fo ya ne sisa sɛ na krama awe me nam uniska ɔsɛ ase we de wafumi ho mesrɛw ɛntena se ma yade mfumu mu kɔpɛ givers no bi gye number na ne yɛ sorry 0543 222-470 near me 0543-222-470 Tikwaku and you ready kakra ye boaboa no any dia ba sempa yitia nya kasa dodo na ne bi
that's it
juma na ye ni
ye be say share na fi you say dey be abusa ya so ne that's like I say ma Vodafone and all the good morning Ghana good morning offer good morning bundle ababe boom. Now, the good morning offer now. Amount unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers. When you have 5 minutes talk time to other networks. Now, when you have 500 MB of data, Eddie Ateche, and he just simply said this bundle works on any other bundle you have or will subscribe to. So just call the short code 543 or dial *543# to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer for only 1 Ghana cedi. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone, together we can, and that's what it is. Yeah. See what? Yo. Okay, and yadi bibia ebe no. The entire show ni nyina ofie kwa so nyina no ene dedicated to one special man. Your friend no Mr. Kofi Apiedu. Edi obia the friend na Fi. Yes, Uncle Fi. Uncle Fi and the husband of Cynthia of Daughters of Glorious Jesus. Enti Uncle Fi, Mr. Kofi Apiedu, on your special day, sofo yaw ousu ansa. Say me wish you happy birthday, man. Sounds na wa wire. Cynthia of Daughters of Glorious Jesus. Oni ni nuanu mienu. Monica ena Edna. Omo kabom ye Daughters of Glorious Jesus. Omo so mo wish you a happy birthday. Na sa enum we ena me mama o.
I said I've been from my world.
na be kumi o. Asa Woody no. Yeah, Asa against the news at 6. So what the Jeffrey? Abusia Maria. And then you were on am this also. So you me Abusia Yedwesi as that can come out so on the tonight throughout the week. May God bless you. We appreciate you so much. Now friends was lady on command team, you know, Papa Bills to African to Jamestown Jacob. They been come over here boy from our friends so and now sample for J Mommy Boats been come out also. Me I'm telling you doing charming your friend Jerry Justice. Let's do it again. Same time, God willing, next week Monday. Until then, I'll send you back up as always. Wish you on you and watch you know. Now watch the reaction. It's a serious Nipa and Seshi. Thanks so much for your time with us. Do have a great evening and a great weekend as well. We out of here.